Doug Thompson here, and we're going to do a fun little project. I have a friend of mine that wants me to make some clavos, which is kind of a Mexican word, I think, for nail. It'll be textured and then domed. So what I'm going to do is put 4 of these in the forge and then quickly work them, put a texture in, and then to dome them. There's a very specific way of getting these things out. I take, this is in my right hand, go in here and I'll hook this thing down to here, pull it over the edge, and let it grab it. That's how you do it, because you got to work fast. If you're out here trying to fool with it, you're going to lose heat because it's such a thin piece. You got to act quick. So anyway.